Hello kids! Today we're going to learn how to draw an adorable little puppy named Dottie. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's begin. Our story starts here. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a playful puppy named Dottie. Dottie loved to run around and explore, always looking for new adventures and, of course, yummy bones to chew on. Draw an irregular circle. Let's start by drawing Dottie's head. It's not just any circle. It's a fun, irregular circle because Dottie is one of a kind. This is the shape of Dottie's face, which is always full of curiosity and excitement. Draw the puppy's eyes, nose, mouth, ears, and forehead fur. Now let's give Dottie a face. Draw two big, bright eyes that sparkle with mischief. Below the eyes, draw a cute little nose and a smiling mouth because Dottie is always happy. Next, draw two floppy ears on the sides of Dottie's head and some cute little fur on the forehead. Dottie loves to wiggle those ears when he's excited. Draw the puppy's body and fur pattern. It's time to give Dottie a body. Draw a round, chubby body because Dottie is a well-fed puppy. Add some fun patterns on Dottie's body to show his unique spots and stripes. Don't forget to draw his fluffy fur to make him look even cuddlier. Draw bones around the puppy. Dottie loves bones. Let's draw some tasty bones around him. Imagine Dottie's delight as he finds all these delicious treats scattered around him. He can't wait to start munching. Give the puppy blushing cheeks. Dottie gets excited easily, so let's give him some rosy cheeks. Draw little red circles on his face to show how happy and playful he is. Decorate with polka dots. To make the picture even more fun, let's decorate the background with polka dots. Draw little dots all around Dottie to create a lively and cheerful scene. It looks like Dottie is in a magical world of dots. Color the bones. Now let's color the bones. Dottie's favorite bones are always colorful, so use your imagination to make them look delicious and vibrant. Dottie's eyes will light up seeing his favorite treats in all sorts of colors. Outline the puppy with dotted lines. To make Dottie stand out, let's outline him with dotted lines. This makes Dottie look like he's ready to jump off the page and into your arms for a big hug. Dottie the puppy is finished. Look, our Dottie is all done. He's a playful, happy puppy surrounded by his favorite bones and magical dots. Now he's ready for his next adventure, and he's inviting you to join him. Kids, do you love this story? Grab your pencils and follow along with me to draw your own Dottie. Let's create more exciting stories and adorable characters together.